Thanks for tuning in to another Silicon Direct YouTube video. On the last couple of videos, we learned how to create a folder and how to copy and paste. Today, I'm going to show you how to resize your folders. So if you're not familiar with how to resize a folder or a window, I'm going to show you that right now. So here we are on the desktop. So let's say we've got this folder here, and we open up this folder, and it opens up to that size. So this is the folder we just opened up. Let's say we wanted to cover the whole screen with this folder. So what we would do is we've got these three buttons here. So this button here is a close button. It closes the window. This button here is the maximize button. What it does is it maximizes it. So it will maximize this window onto the whole screen. So when we click on it, it takes up the entire screen. If we click on that button again, it will restore it to the original size. So, and then this button over here will minimize it. So if we click this button over here, it will bring it down into our taskbar down here. So let's try that. So we will minimize it, and now it's over here in this folder. There it is. If we highlight over top of it, it'll actually tell us what the name of that folder is. So let's go down there and just click on that, and it brings it back. So let's say we wanted to resize it. So we're not happy with either this big or this small. Let's say we wanted something a little bigger, but not all the way. So when we put our mouse close to the edges, we get this double-sided arrow. So when we put it close to here, my mouse turns into a double-sided arrow. If we put it over here, it also turns into a double-sided arrow. The same thing happens down here, and the same thing happens over here. So that allows us to resize the video sideways, or sorry, not the video, but the window sideways, or we can resize the window up and down, so horizontally or vertically. Okay, so we can make it small like this, we can make it big like this. And this allows us to do things like organizing our desktop when we have multiple files or multiple folders open. So another option we could do as well is I showed you the four sides. If we go over here on an angle, okay, we get the angle double-sided arrow. So here we get a double-sided arrow, here we get a double-sided arrow, but over here on the corner we get a double-sided arrow on an angle. Now what that allows us to do is resize the window vertically and horizontally. So we can make it really small, or we can make it really large. So hopefully that clarifies on how you can resize the window. Once we want to go full screen, we can just go like that. And then when we're done, we can close it and we're done. So I hope that helps you on resizing windows. This also works on the internet too. All right, go practice and have some fun.